Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, let's gather the necessary tools for this job. You will need a Phillips #0 screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap. Make sure you have a clean workspace to avoid losing any screws. First, power down your HP Victus and unplug it from any power source. Remove the back panel by unscrewing the 10 Phillips screws located around the edges. Keep these screws in a safe place, as you'll need them later. Next, using the plastic spudger, gently pry open the back cover. Be cautious and work your way around the edges to avoid damaging the clips. Once the back panel is off, you'll have access to the internal components. Now, locate the fans. There are typically 2 fans in the HP Victus. Carefully disconnect the fan cables from the motherboard by pulling them straight out. Remember, no calls, no travel. If this feels daunting, we can help with our professional diagnosis without obligation. Using your Phillips #0 screwdriver, unscrew the 4 screws holding each fan in place. Once unscrewed, lift the fans out gently. Before proceeding, take a moment to clean any dust buildup inside the laptop using a can of compressed air. This ensures better airflow and cooling efficiency. Now, it's time to install the new fans. Align the new fans with the screw holes and gently lower them into place. Secure them with the screws you previously removed. Reconnect the fan cables to the motherboard, ensuring they are firmly in place. Before closing up the laptop, it's wise to check that everything is properly connected. If you lack the tools for this task, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easy for you to get professional help. Once you've verified the connections, replace the back panel by aligning it correctly and pressing down until you hear the clips snap into place. Reinsert the 10 Phillips screws to secure the back cover. Finally, power on your HP Victus and listen for the fans. They should be running smoothly and quietly. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for a quote before repair. Regular maintenance, including fan replacements, can significantly enhance your laptop's performance and longevity. And there you have it, a complete guide to replacing the fans in your HP Victus laptop. This simple yet effective upgrade can help maintain optimal temperatures and improve overall performance. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.